Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, June 7th. We were seeing a fair amount of sunshine out there this morning that helped temperatures get up into the mid to upper 70s. However, we are seeing cloud cover starting to increase, as well as onshore flow expected to continue throughout the day. That should help to knock down temperatures as we go toward the afternoon hours. And then we are expecting just a slight chance of some scattered to isolated shower activity this afternoon and early this evening as well. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have a stationary boundary draped just south of the area. That's going to be a focus point for some abundant shower and thunderstorm activity across the extreme southern Delmarva and much of Virginia and the Carolinas as we go towards this afternoon and evening. Here at Wallops, we are going to be seeing just a slight chance of some of those isolated showers making it as far north as here. Doesn't look like we're really going to see any chances of rain north of Wallops as we go towards this afternoon and evening. And then tomorrow we should be looking at a dry day under partly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, we are going to be seeing the onshore flow continue at the surface throughout today. As of 8 a.m. that was continuing up to about 3,000 feet before shifting more westerly at the 9,000 foot level. Winds remaining fairly light across the column, only getting up to around 26 knots at the 25,000 foot level, with a freezing level just above 13,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our conditions across the region currently, you see we do have a large area of showers and a couple of embedded heavier showers across much of the mainland of Virginia west of the bay. That does look like that area of rain is going to stay over there, and like I said, any rain chances we get are going to be slight and likely not seeing any chance of a sprinkle until after about 4 p.m. and into this evening. It only looks like about a 20 to 30% chance we might see an isolated shower at that time. We do have widespread temperatures in the mid to upper 70s across the region. Along the coast, I do expect those temperatures to actually decrease once we go in the afternoon hours, as our cloud cover will be thickening up, and we're going to get that onshore flow increasing just a bit. That'll help to knock those temperatures down into the lower 70s, where they'll pretty much stay throughout the evening hours and into mid-morning tomorrow. You can see we are seeing those easterly winds pretty much across the entire mid-Atlantic region this morning. They are the strongest along the coast here. Currently at Wallops, we're looking at around 9 to 14 knots, and that should remain the same throughout the day today. Taking a look at our satellite this morning, at the beginning of the loop here, we did have a little bit of a clearing compared to the rest of the mid-Atlantic here across the Delmarva, especially the central portion of the Delmarva, which helped our temperatures get up to the upper 70s. As we go towards the late morning hours in the afternoon, this area of cloud cover will continue to increase slowly eastward. However, it does look like the bulk of the shower activity associated with this disturbance is going to remain west of the bay, like I had mentioned, and only seeing that slight chance of a shower. But we can expect those clouds to slowly increase as we go towards the afternoon today. So taking a quick look at our short-term model here, we are going to be running, seeing some shower activity increase as well as thunderstorms as we go towards the mid-afternoon hours across the Piedmont and the Tidewater there. And as you can see, all this rain is going to, for the most part, stay west of the bay, and then we will be seeing after about 4 or 5 p.m. a chance of some isolated showers moving over the region. It does look like this precipitation depicted on this model won't be much. A lot of this will be evaporating before reaching the ground, so only expecting a chance of some light shower activity through this evening. It does look like a lot of the models agree that any shower chances will end after about midnight tonight. So taking a look at our weather forecast for today, we're going to be seeing that high temperature around 79 before noon, and then those temperatures will be dropping off into the afternoon down into the mid to lower 70s as we see our cloud cover increase. Winds are going to be easterly around at 9 to 14 knots throughout today before weakening slightly tonight. Tomorrow morning, expecting a mild low near 68 degrees, and then after about 4 a.m., those winds are going to be more northeasterly, increasing to 8 to 13 knots by mid-morning Saturday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, right now just seeing some mid and upper level cloudiness, just a few near 12,000 feet, broken at 25,000 feet. Then as we go towards this afternoon, we'll start to see a few clouds near 6,000 feet with those mid-level decks becoming more broken And as this evening, we'll start to see some clouds moving in near 1500 as well, especially if we get into any shower activity. And as we go into the overnight hours, still seeing a few clouds near 1,500 feet, a few at 5,000, and some mid-level decks as well, with clouds becoming just a few at 10,000 and scattered to broken in the upper levels by 8 a.m. Saturday. Taking a look at a little bit of our longer range here, we are going to be running the chance of just some isolated showers this afternoon. As you see, we're going to have this pretty broad low pressure hanging out across the southeastern United States this morning, or today, and for the next couple of days. And the northern extent of that precipitation is going to depend on exactly where that stationary boundary lies. Looks like the models have finally gotten a better grasp on an agreement on the situation in the next few days compared to what they had been looking like the previous few days. We do have some high pressure that is building across the western Great Lakes and the eastern Great Lakes in the northeastern United States, and that will help to give us some dry weather tomorrow, as well as giving us some partly cloudy skies. That'll help to keep that rain boundary well south of the Wallops region. So tomorrow should be a nice day out there in a partly cloudy skies, slightly cooler temperatures, as well as we're going to see that onshore flow persisting. As we go into a Saturday night into Sunday, the high pressure is going to continue to drift eastward and weaken a bit. That'll allow that boundary to slowly move northward, and that'll give us a chance of some rain showers as late or as early as the pre-dawn hours of Sunday. And then it does look like there is even a chance of some moderate to briefly heavy rain on Sunday, as we get a little piece of energy swinging in throughout the day on Sunday. Does look like the southern portion of the Delmarva is going to be greatly impacted by the greatest impact by this. We might not really see much at all up near Salisbury, especially areas north of Salisbury. Looks to remain mostly dry on Sunday, but here at Wallops does look like we're going to be seeing a fair amount of rain throughout the day. As we move through Monday, we are going to be seeing those winds shift a little more southerly as a trough approaches from the west. That'll help to scoop up a little more of that moisture, giving us a little bit more instability as well as we get kind of in the warm sector of this system. That'll give us some more chances for some scattered showers and thunderstorms pretty much throughout the entire day Monday. And we're also going to be seeing that persist through Monday night as well. So it looks like Sunday and Monday are going to be wet, with the best chance of some thunderstorms being throughout the day, Monday and Monday night. As we go into Tuesday, we're finally going to see the system start to finally get out of here. It does look like we're going to see a frontal passage Tuesday morning, which will give us another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, possibly even some heavy rain or a strong thunderstorm or two. It would be possible, mainly before the afternoon hours of Tuesday. And then it does look like we'll have a little bit of some high pressure building in. This has this front lingering a little bit more, but I think this front will be a little bit more east than this model is depicting, helping that high pressure to build in to give us a dry Tuesday night into Wednesday. But as we go into Wednesday, high pressure moves out of the area. That's going to allow another impulse to move along the Delmarva, giving us another chance of showers and storms for our Thursday. And then as we go into the weekend, we are going to be seeing some high pressure finally build in and giving us some beautiful weather. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here with our temperatures, going to be seeing the 79 degrees today, mainly before noon. It looks like is when we're going to see that 79. Tomorrow is going to be our only really sure dry day for the next 7 days, and with that high pressure nudging down and helping to keep the rain out of here. Expecting a somewhat breezy day as that pressure gradient tightens up with a high of 77. Then Sunday we're going to get that high pressure moving off the northeastern United States. That'll help to bring that front a little bit more northward. Going to be seeing a persistent easterly flow with those showers, and it does look to be pretty rainy across the Wallops area and south. Might not see too much rain though up near Salisbury. As we go into Monday and Tuesday, it does look like we're going to get to be in the warm sector of this system. That'll help to give us some more instability across the area, and there is going to be quite a bit of moisture, and still looking at a stationary front across the region just to the west. So that's going to give us continued chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially as we go into Monday night and Tuesday morning, as it does look like the main front is finally going to impact the area and be directly over the Delmarva. So that does look like our best chance for seeing some really good showers and thunderstorms is Tuesday, possibly seeing that high earlier in the day. If that front gets out of here quick enough, we might see that temperature drop as we go towards the afternoon. Tuesday night into Wednesday is going to be a little bit cooler because we are going to be seeing some more northwesterly winds return behind that front, although that front is going to remain just to the east of the Wallops area. And then Wednesday seeing another weak piece of energy riding along that front, giving us another chance of some showers, mainly Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. Then on Thursday, it looks like we're going to continue to see some scattered showers and storms across the area with a high of 80 degrees. And it does look like by the time we get into late Friday into the weekend, we might finally start to see a reprieve from this rainy pattern that we are going to be in. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.